Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the biggest finale of the year. Two culinary giants, one bottle of power oil, one height hole on the line. The Power Oil Certified MasterChef Challenge.
Oh, what a move! He slices past the peppers. Beautiful control. Look at that knife work. Because here, it's not just the cooking, it's the crowd behind you. And the fans are pouring in behind him. The votes are climbing.
Now that was the opening fixture. The real tournament, it's open to every kitchen in Nigeria. You think you can do better? Be your own master chef. Record yourself cooking with Power Oil. Upload your video, share your link, get votes. Cook your match. Rally your fans.
Climb the leaderboard. Scan now and enter the Power Oil Certified MasterChef Challenge.
Power oil, hey, power oil.